Looking at the score, how many of you guys think I'm actually going to lose? So welcome back. This is the most important session. So welcome back. आज का दिन. So
क्या पक रहे हो माँ?
So welcome back. आज का session is the most important session of this whole prep, and this is why we're going to start in the kitchen. I will make my breakfast real quick. उसके बाद बात करते हैं.
Money make the world go round. I'm trying to get a dog right now. Everybody worried about the crown being. Look, homie, I'm the man right now. Talking to a peon, kind of time we on. Don't roll like the kind of take eons. Got a little buzz, it's time to go beyond. Can't look back.
Okay, so अब ध्यान से सुनो, alright? क्यों ये दिन सबसे important session है इस whole prep का? देखो, bencho, fucking music is going on in the background. So let me explain you why आज का दिन is the most important prep so far. देखो, आप लोग जानते हो कि मेरा ब्लॉग्स हमेशा 4 वीक का होता है, ठीक है? नॉर्मली प्रेप में 4 वीक का प्रेप, like 4 week ब्लॉग, एंड उसके बाद पेपर होता है, and then we do a meet, ठीक है? अभी this week is week 3, ठीक है? पर आज का दिन ऑलरेडी 15th of Feb है और मैं 21st Feb को कंप्लीट कर रहा हूँ. There is less than 1 week remaining and I'm still on week 3. तो इस बार का प्लान ये था कि week 3 मैं जिम में करूंगा और directly week 4 on stage. My coach and we spoke it out and told we are not going to do any taper. We're directly going to do week 4 on stage. All right. So we won't even know what is our max potential until we go on stage. ठीक है? और why आज का दिन सबसे important है क्योंकि ये week 3 का प्राइमरी दिन है. ठीक है? आज स्क्वाट, बेंच, डेडलिफ्ट सब कुछ है और this is not a normal squat, bench और डेडलिफ्ट सेशन क्योंकि स्क्वाट करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद 4-5 सेट्स का बैक डाउन, उसके बाद बेंच का सिंगल करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद 4 सेट्स बैक डाउन, उसके बाद डेडलिफ्ट का सिंगल लेना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद 4 सेट बैक डाउन. तो ये तकरीबन 6 आवर्स का लॉन्ग सेशन होने वाला है. दिस इज व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड द वीडियो एट होम. Today my meals, मैं हमेशा I take my meals seriously, but it's very important to have high carbs. I'm eating 1 whole packet of bread today. उसके बाद let's see what we're going to do next. I'll show you what I'm going to have for lunch and everything. But let's go and select our singlets for now. So अभी मेरे पास 6 singlets. I have 6 singlets. Okay, all of these singlets. All right. Now I want to select from these. Totally मेरे पास 7 singlets है. तो वो फुल ब्लैक एडिशन बाहर रखा क्योंकि वो मैं कंपटीशन में पहनूंगा क्योंकि I lost last year in it and I want to redeem myself with that singlet only before it gets too tight. Alright, India का singlet I think I should not be wearing it in nationals because I think that's not respectful for the singlet.
क्या?
फिर ये because मैं black singlet पहन रहा हूँ in competition, I'm going to rule out these 2 black singlets. तो बाकी क्या है? ये 3. This I think मैंने बहुत टाइम पहना है तो ये भी बात चोता हूँ between these 2. ठीक है? I'm really confused. This मैंने सिर्फ एक बार पहना है. ये मैंने I've worn it some 2-3 times. I have to decide between this. I'll see. I will decide and let you guys know. I have to cook lunch right now and we'll see in gym. I'll take both of it and let's decide in gym. तो अभी लंच का टाइम है और we have to hurry because it's already around 3 o'clock and we have to leave to gym at 4. And lunch के बाद एक और मील का आना है क्योंकि I'll show you. I made a reel on it. It's the pre-workout snack क्योंकि that has like 120 gram carbs and we need a lot of carbs for today's session. So we're already a little late. We have to have 2 meals in 1 hour and leave. Gym 10 बजे बंद होता है तो we'll make rice and chicken. I'm going to put chicken in the air fryer, make the rice in the cooker, and we will eat our snack bowl. I'm not going to show you everything. I'll directly meet you in the gym.
Soak up the rags, spark up the max, light up the night and I never look back.
I finished all my warm-ups, alright? Because my session is going to be very long, so मैं Glucon-D use कर रहा हूँ. It's the fastest source of energy. So when you guys can use Glucon-D in your intra session. So basically today I have to squat 247.5 kilos, alright? This is what my coach gave me for week 3. So if 247.5 is my third attempt, my second attempt will be around 235, my first attempt 220. So I'm going to show you attempts because I'm just practicing for competition, because competition is less than 1 week out. So I'm going to take 220, 235, 247. So now I'm loaded 220. Let's get it done.
Soak up the rags, spark up the max, light up the night and I never look back. I am the hunter, you are the monster. I am the entity, I am the haunter. Fight with no water, fight with no water.
Okay, so I'm done with the first attempt 220. And so this is one thing I realized. मैंने nomination के बारे में full episode में बात नहीं किया. So I'm going to talk about the nominations. I won't put on the screen right now. I'll put it when I'm going to start talking about it. But there are 20 people in 83 Open. ठीक है? So there's a rule that only 14 people can be in one flight. Because of this rule, it's going to be 10-10. So I'm going to be in flight B with 10 lifters, right? So when we think about 10 lifters, my next squat attempt is going to come in around 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to take 8 to 10 minutes break and then go for my second attempt, which is 235. So let's go.
Bring me the leg, I won't choke on the water. I am the author, you are the paper. If you will probably the blood on the razor. Motherfucker, I am the product and never feeling my feelings. I run upon them in the middle of the night and I kill them. I drill a hole in the middle of the feeling. Whatever me second tell me shit, I don't listen. I'm burning up with the witches. Always been the same and I'll never change.
Got it. Okay, so done with 235. Now we're going to take a top set 247.5. Week 3, I wanted to be RP 8 or below. 235 was really fast. Let's see how it goes.
Drifting the waves and I'm swept away. Catch me with the flames, I'm a decimate. And if I rest today, I'll just accept my fate. How I feel, am I really here? Dwelling every fear, there's no heal, let me hear me out. Show me who I was, patiently, faithfully chasing the sun. Drag me down, deep into the ground, see me to the
I wanted to say that cocky shit anyway. Fuck course, you know, let me say cocky shit, bro. Okay, so seeing that 247.5 was fucking amazing. Looking at the score, how many of you guys think I'm actually going to lose? It's not hitting only, I want to say that cocky shit, fuck. Alright, so done with the top set, now we're going to do back downs. I have 220 for 6 and then I have 3 more sets back downs. I'm going to show you the 220 for 6 and then when I'm doing my rest of the back downs, we'll talk about the nominations.
Get the secret out, I am alone, inside my head. I can be killed if I'm already dead. Heartless entity, double identity. Look at me, see what you did to me. Look at you, this is the end of you. Thought I was done, but bitch, this is the interlude. I would be cautious, watch where you step. I am your conscience, I am your breath. I am the sovereign, never to rest. I will break down your will until nothing is left. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I don't wanna live.
Okay, so we're benching right now. Same rules for bench leg squat. We're going to take first, second, third attempt. So you saw 150 was our first attempt. We're going to load 160 for our second attempt right now. And then see what we can take for our third. 10 minutes breaks, same thing. Okay, so second attempt, 160 kilos. Went good according to me. I'm loading 166 because there's going to be a PR. I think bench is the only thing my coach gave me RP and I can decide whatever I want to do. They give me RP 9.59, I'll be honest. So we load 166 and get the work done.
Soak up the rags, spark up the max, light up the night and I never look back. I am the hunter, you are the monster. I am the entity, I am the haunter. Fight with no water, fight with no water. Bring me the leg, I won't choke on the water. I am the author, you are the paper. Rip you up, probably the blood on the razor. Motherfucker, I am the product and never feeling my feelings. I run upon them in the middle of the night and I kill them. I drill a hole in the middle.
Okay, so that was the third attempt, 166. I think that is a lifetime PR. Nice. Now I'll do my back downs and then I'll do deadlift. I don't know how to do it. We have 1 hour to finish this shit now. Alright, so because I'm done with squat and bench and it's a very long session, I have a deadlift. I have to deadlift 310 below RP8. I'm taking 1 scoop of Carnage. I've already taken 3. So this is 400 mgs totally for today. Use code BMARIN if you want this fucking holy grail shit. Alright, let's deadlift now.
finished my last warm-up, that's 220 kilos for deadlift. You might be wondering why. Because we're following the same rule, first, second, third attempt. Taking 270 for first, 290 for second, 310 for third. I know. Okay, now let's take 270.
I think I got some problems turning nothing to an issue. Now I solve it with my I popped off, it's been a little boring. All my enemies are hiding out, it gets annoying. Yes, I gotta sniff them out, I'm searching till the morning. Finally found a prey, okay, so now's a different morning. I used to wanna kill myself, but now I only kill the snakes. Bitch, don't say you know me, cause you've always been a fake. I've been posted in my dungeon, got the tools to make you vanish. I've been itching for destruction, I might take over the planet. White knuckle blade, slinging where you at, bitch. I with my heart rip, I put them in a body bag, yeah, you know that's my shit. I don't fuck with you, now it's time to put you in a ditch. Okay, bodies on bodies, I cannot stop, I got a problem, bitch, I'm awful, I got it. Just fucking drop me in the coffin, I'm just talking shit. This is what you...